Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to address the issue of SteelSeries Sonar not working after update. So if you are facing the same type of problem, stick around because we are going to find out some of the solutions to this problem. First, you can try to restart your SteelSeries GG and your computer. For that, you need to close your SteelSeries GG completely, then restart your computer. Open SteelSeries GG with administrator rights. For that, you need to simply right click on it and then use the option of run as administrator. Then check if the virtual devices now appear in Windows sound settings. Second thing that you can do is you can simply reinstall SteelSeries GG. For that, you need to open the Windows control panel and go to add or remove programs. There you need to find SteelSeries GG in the list, and first you need to uninstall it. Afterwards, you need to restart your computer and download it with the latest version from the official website. After installing it, you need to restart your computer again and now open SteelSeries GG and check if the virtual devices appear or not. If the issue still persists, you can even try to update and check for the Windows audio drivers and services. So if you are seeing any audio driver update, you need to make sure that it is updated. And with the help of these few methods, you will definitely gonna fix this issue. But if the issue still persists, you can even raise a ticket or you can even contact with them via this message icon. So you can just type your message over here and talk with the SteelSeries customer service executive. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.